Hey guys, welcome back to Kitten Corner. Sorry we have been gone for a while, but we've just been busy, so sorry about that. So we just wanted to show you the 6 new members of Kitten Corner. This is Cassandra, the lovely mommy. She is 1 year and a half, and these are her beautiful kittens. They were born on the 18th of November. And we've got Cassandra and her kittens 1 week ago, and do you agree? They are literally so cute and adorable. We don't know the genders yet, but we will be checking that out later. So yeah, there are 3 kittens that look like Cassandra, and there are 2 black kittens. Oh wait. Oh my gosh, you can see a closer look on them. There are 5 kittens, by the way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Where's the other one hiding? Oh, I see it. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Comment down below if you love them. They're so cute. And Cassandra's working really hard, aren't you, Cassandra? She's such a lovely mom. Aren't you, Cassandra? We got her because a person asked us to collect her because she couldn't keep the babies and the mommy. So we collected her. And just out of random, I named the mom Cassandra because that's the first name that came to mind, and I love that name. So yeah, her name's Cassandra. And as you can see, the kittens are a bundle of energy and fur, and they're just really cute. If you be quiet just for a little moment, you can hear the mommy purring. Guys, I'm gonna be silent for a little bit just so you can hear all the different sounds the babies and the mom was making. So yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, I think that's enough of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe. And go check out our Facebook, Kittens Corner, or Kitten Corner. And go check out our Instagram, Kittens Corner 123. We will have pictures and videos of beautiful Cassandra with her 5 babies. And also on our Instagram and Facebook, we post pictures of the kittens that already have been adopted, and the owners are sending pictures. So we post that up there too. So yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye! See you in another video!